How to use the TH-388 two-way radio. Hello, today we'll show you how to use the TH-388 two-way radio. On the front of radio are navigation buttons and 4 function buttons: P1, P2, P3, and P4. On the left side of radio is orange button, PTT button, and another 2 function buttons: up button and down button. To use the radio, you should first rotate the power control knob clockwise to turn the radio on. This is also the volume control, so pay attention to the volume level. How to transmit and receive messages? Press and hold the PTT button and start talking. You'd better hold the microphone between at least 5 centimeters from your mouth. Release the PTT button to receive incoming messages. How to make a selective call. Select friend list or user list. Press the menu button to select one or more members to create a temporary group. Press the PTT button to initiate the selective call and start talking. If the PTT button is not pressed within 120 seconds, the radio will revert to default group. You can also press the back button to end the selective call. How to make a quick call. P1 to P4 buttons can be set up as a quick call. Select Choose Group. Select the group you need. Press and hold one of the buttons to set up a quick call for this group. And you can also set up a quick call for specific group member. Select friend list or user list. Select the member you need. Press and hold one of the buttons to set up a quick call for this member. Now you can press one of these buttons to quickly select the group or group member you want to call. How to monitor your groups. Select Choose Group. Press the OK button to monitor other groups. Press it again to cancel. How to check your dispatcher messages? Select Menu. Select Dispatcher Messages to check it. How to use APRS. Select Friend List or User List. Press OK button to check the online member's GPS information. But you have to turn location services on first. How to use SOS. Press and hold the orange button to send out an SOS. Press and hold it again to cancel. How to turn on the LED flashlight. Press the orange button to turn on the LED flashlight. Press it again to turn off. How to lock or unlock your keypad. Press and hold the down button on the left side of the radio to lock the keypad. Press and hold it again to unlock. Thank you for watching. We hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any other questions about the TH-388, please feel free to contact us. You can find the product link and the contact link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.